Hey y'all, this is going to be a lesson on blues scale exercises. So we're going to talk about the 5 positions of E minor pentatonic to start with. That's first position. Here's second. Here's third. And fourth. And fifth. So I'm going to have all these written out on a tab with this. So take a look at that. If you want to maybe download that tab and have that sitting there while you're doing some of this stuff, it might help out a bit. So we're going to start with the first position, and I have 2 different exercises to get you started with. So one of them is sets of 3s. We're going to start on the second note of the scale, the 3 here. So each one is ding, dum, dum. So we start on a higher note, lower, and back to the original note. Now I'm going to go ahead and play that up these strings. Easy enough, right? Okay, we're going to go backwards. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add in the flat 5th to this. That's that 1 right there on the A string. And it also adds itself right there. It's a B flat note in each situation there. So there it is. There it is again. Other than that, it's just our minor pentatonic shape. We're just adding in that flat 5th. And that makes it the official blues scale, not just a pentatonic scale, a minor pentatonic scale, but actually the blues scale because it has the flat 5th included in it. So if we look at that same exercise, sets of 3s, now we're going to insert this 1 and that 3 over here on the G string into that. All right, so now the other exercise I like to do is sets of 4s. So 4 notes at a time, moving up the scale. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add those flat 5ths into this again. So it makes things a lot more interesting when you got to throw that in there. So using little kind of hammer-ons and stuff. Okay, now let's look at the second position. Okay, we're going to do this. We're going to add in the flat 5th. So it's here and it's here. So we're going to do the 3s. So it makes things really weird, right? So let's do the 4s one. third position. Here's the added flat fifth. Right there. Right there. Right there. So let's do the thirds thing. Okay, then we're going to do the fours. Okay, fourth position. There's a flat fifth. There's a flat fifth, and we want to change our fingering to the first finger here to get that flat fifth up in there. So let's do the thirds. And the fours. And the fifth position with the flat fifth. There he goes. It's always a B flat in this key. There it is again. Okay, so let's do the thirds. And the fours. So thirds. And fours. All right, so that was threes and fours exercises with all five positions of E minor pentatonic, but with the flat fifth added to make it a full blues scale. So I hope you all dug that. It's really cool if you can add some flat fifths and be able to play them fluently in your solos. It adds a lot to your whole game, and it gives you a lot of bluesy flavor when you want to have bluesy flavor. So hope you all dug that. There will be a tab to go with this. Study those, practice those, add those into your solos, and have some fun with it. All right, thanks a lot. We'll see you soon.